So you see, this is Sniffles right here. This is his carrot. Now watch, this is my new bunny, by the way. So watch his Sniffles. This is his carrot. Oh, you good bunny. It's my bunny. He's the boss. If anyone breaks in, Sniffles takes care of it. Ain't no one messing with Sniffles. Oh, you bad bunny.
His back legs are really big.
They are. Yeah, look how big those suckers are.
His ears are really fluffy.
Telling you we should have named him Fluffles, but Sniffles works too. He has his claws out right now. Do you have a wiener?
I don't even know. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl.
Nice.
My dad told me to check, but I didn't want to.
I'll check for you.
I think it's a girl.
It's a girl. We're putting this on Facebook. Bad.
Did it bite you?
Yeah.
It bit my sister last night.
Bad Sniffles.
Is car info on tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's stuck. What if you got it stuck in? It's stuck on.
Yeah, just let it go. It'll start hopping around.
Where's the?
It won't hop that fast. All those little dots are turds.
Dang, what are the green things?
That's part of its
Are you
food.
still videoing this?
Yeah.
What?
Sniffles still eating his carrot.
Looks like he's eating them.
Oh yeah, Sniffles.
Dang.
Bad.
That's a lot of poop for
Yeah.
1 week.
Bad bunny.
It's not even a week yet.
What?
It's like 5 days, right? No, we just got that cage
Oh, you
2
want
days
to
ago.
Sniffles? You want some?
Dang.
Where will he go?
He'll just hop around the kitchen.
Aww.
Alright. Upload that to Facebook.
Dude, I want that.
Aww.
I've never seen it actually.
I'm saying this is like a squirrel that broke into your house.
Yeah. Aww.
It's called Bunny Red. Hey, Bunny! What's wrong? It's a bunny. Oh, look at it. We ordered the wings and pizza?
Yeah, it'll be here in
Of course. You
like
can order
half hour.
because your dad can just... Oh, just put it on the tab. It's good. Connor.
Yeah, Stuart.
Can you put that on Facebook?
Yeah,
The one?
yeah.
Put the one on me on Facebook.
Okay.